Hi everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the alopecia ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about our wigs from the perspective of someone who's dealt with hair loss for pretty much my whole life and is a daily wig wearer. In today's video, I'm really excited to bring you a list of some of my favorite medium length wigs from all of our collections here at René of Paris. The first wig that I'm going to start out with in this video is the wig that I'm wearing right now, which is Nolan in the color Peach Gold. Now this is from the main René of Paris collection. This is a style that I absolutely love as an everyday wear wig. I really love the straight style of this wig, the layers are really fantastic, and this is a style that I wish I had in my collection for my whole life. This is definitely something that I think someone of any age can wear, and there's so many fantastic colors available in this wig as well. I really do particularly love this color Peach Gold as well. The straight style makes this wig very wearable and easy to manage because all you have to do is brush it out and it just looks perfect. This is a style that I would just wear in any sort of day, whether I was just having a casual day and I just wanted something to throw on and not even think about it, or if I wanted to dress it up a little. Because of the medium length, you can do a lot with styling in terms of putting it in a ponytail, putting braids, or any sort of thing like that. There's a lot you can do with a longer length wig like this. I find the layers very flattering because you have that nice length and you still have these shorter layers in the front that kind of give you that face framing effect, and I just find that very flattering. This wig also features a lace front and lace part, which are two features that make the wig look extra realistic on the cap construction. If you're not familiar with these features, the lace front allows you to pull the hair back and to have it look very natural looking right in the front, and the lace also extends into the part, so you get that really natural looking effect on the part as well. Here's what Nolan looks like all the way around. I find Nolan a really easy, manageable, great day-to-day wig, and that's why it made the list of my favorite medium wigs with René of Paris. Here's what the inside of the cap construction for Nolan looks like. As you can see, you have the lace front, and that lace also extends to the part to give you that really natural looking hairline on top for the part. And of course, like with all our wigs, we also have the adjustable straps on the nape of the neck here and here to adjust to your head size. Next on my list of favorite medium wigs is this absolutely gorgeous one from the Noriko Collection. This one is called Jaden. This color happens to be one of our limited edition colors, which is one of my favorite limited edition colors that we have, and it's called Sea Glass. When it comes to our limited edition colors, these are available by request, so if there's any wig retailer that sells René of Paris wigs, you can try to make a special request for them to have them order that particular limited edition color to their store to have it in stock for you. But this wig also comes in a variety of regular colors that we have as part of our regular collections as well, so you can check out our website, reneofparis.com, to see all of the different colors that this wig is available in. This wig is a very beautiful medium-length curly wig with a lace front and lace part as well. This wig is a really gorgeous medium-length curly wig, and it also has this really flattering side bang in the front. I really love this length, and I really love some of these face framing layers in the front as well. And I find these curls really easy to manage, really easy to kind of just comb your fingers through to keep them looking nice, and just very glamorous as well. Styles like this I feel can be worn down to be more casual or worn up, especially because of the curls. I find the curls can look really beautiful in an updo, or even if you just put it in a ponytail, that looks really cute as well. Or if you just put it in some sort of clipped up style, I think that would look like really glamorous and just a really nice way to kind of make it into a simple updo. These curls are really nice because they don't tangle easily at all, keeping them looking nice and fresh, like your hair was just freshly styled. And because it's synthetic hair, you don't have to maintain the curls with a curling iron. You definitely can't use any sort of heating tools on this synthetic wig, but that is the upside of it, is that you don't have to maintain them. Synthetic curly wigs will keep their curls regardless, whether you wash them, whether they get wet. The curls will stay looking nice and new. Here's what Jaden looks like all the way around. Here is the inside of the cap construction for Jaden. So as you can see, you have the lace front here, and the lace extends to the part as well, with the adjustable straps on the nape of the neck. This next wig on my list of favorite medium wigs from René of Paris is the one that I'm wearing now, which is Harper in the color Dark Chocolate, and this one is from the Alexander Couture Collection. I could have also included this wig on my list of favorite longer wigs, but it's kind of in the in-between area, so I did include it on my list of favorite medium wigs. This is a really gorgeous, fully straight wig, not a lot of layers going on here, if at all, so it's really nice for a really gorgeous, natural look. This wig also features a lace front and lace part in the middle, so it kind of has a hippie vibe to it with that middle part, which is really in fashion right now. Because of the really straight length and really even layers, this also has a lot of styling flexibility. You could put it in braids, you could put it into a ponytail, and kind of work with this as you please and style it to your preference. Because of that lace front, you also have the styling option to pull it back and still have that really natural looking hairline in the front. Here's what Harper looks like all the way around. I absolutely love the length of this wig, but if you ever wanted to customize it and make it a true medium length wig, you can always take it to a wig professional to help customize it to your preference. The next on my list of favorite medium length wigs is this one that I'm wearing now, which is called Divine Wavez in the color Lilac Cloud, and this is from our René of Paris Muse collection. This wig and color combination is probably one of my favorite wigs in my entire collection. I really love the look of these curls. I really love this middle part, which has a lace front and lace part in the middle. And as an added bonus, this wig is also heat friendly. So if you wanted to change these curls or make it straight or make it curlier in a different curl pattern, you have that flexibility. Now with heat-friendly synthetic wigs, the heat limit that you need for a heat-friendly synthetic wig compared to a human hair wig is much lower, so always check the heat limit on our tags or on our guidelines before using any heating tools on your heat-friendly synthetic wigs. I suggest always testing on a small piece on the back just to make sure that your heating tool will work properly with your heat-friendly synthetic wig. All of the wigs in our Muse collection have some really fantastic styles, from really long styles to some gorgeous shorter styles, but the Muse collection also has some really fun colors like this one. I really love this kind of muted, smoky purple color, which is called, again, Lilac Cloud. I find this wig style just so flattering, and this color is just such a perfect pair with it. It does of course come in a few other colors, so if you want to see all of the other colors that this wig is available in, you can check out the Muse collection on reneofparis.com. I really love the medium density of this wig, and again, these curls as they come are so gorgeous, but it is nice to have that heat styling flexibility with the heat-friendly synthetic wig. I really love these face framing layers in the front. I mentioned that a lot, but I really love having that combination of a longer length wig, but still having some shorter layers in the front. Here's what that lace front and lace part looks like close up. As you can see, it gives you that really natural looking hairline to make the wig look that much more natural on your head. The great thing about having features like that lace part on top that makes it look really realistic, paired with a fun bright color, is it makes it look a lot more like your own hair dyed a fun color as opposed to looking like a colorful wig. Here's what Divine Wavez looks like all the way around. So that's the list of all of my favorite medium length wigs from René of Paris and all of our different collections. If you want to find some more of our medium length wig options, you can also visit our website and search by style options. And if you input the style option for medium length wigs, you'll get a list of all of our different medium length wigs that you can find available. If you liked any of these wigs in particular, definitely leave a comment below and tell me which one was your favorite, which one do you think looked best on me, and which one do you think you want to add to your own collection. Don't forget to follow us both on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram, René of Paris, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.